going, everybody? I'm back at it today. Okay, so I'm super excited because I'm putting in part of the floor today. A friend of mine helped me cut some of the wood that I needed, and I'm really excited. So I'm going to show you what I'm all about right now today. I also got so I got that going on. Also, I went ahead and had the wood cut for the framing on the floor, so I'm really excited about that. We're just gonna put it down with some construction adhesive, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this Artec foam board insulation, and I'm going to cut it down into pieces and fit it in there. So. There we go, so we got the framing in down. I just got to glue it in, and I'll be cutting some styrofoam insulation. Now, so I put this spray foam in here. I got the floor in. As you can see, I've got the insulation to the floor in, and then I put in this this spray foam. Fills in the gaps.
She's a wild one. She's a wild one. Okay.
My little helper, Waylon. Wave, Waylon. Attaboy.
47. Okay, that's what we wanted. 35 and a half. All right, take it down to the other end. All right.
Watch this. I'm handy. I'm as handy as they come.
That's usually when the blood comes. Get it, girl. Bingo, bango, baby. Yeah. Don't put a drink in there, buddy. The first thing that gets spilled in there is going to have to be a beer.
Oh, he's helping you. Okay.
Alright, go on up, buddy. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
You go up, I go down.
I go up?
Yep. Your whole side, just like that. Yep.
That wasn't fair. You made the short one go. You just take it right out the hand.
Mom, no hands!
That was so unfair.
Would have been funnier if I'd have been hanging off of it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, man.
All right, we got a little more gappage than I wanted, but...
We have a floor. All right, here we go. We got a floor. I've got a floor. I've got a floor. Was it video?
I don't know.
Hang on.